Hi, I'm Jazz. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 exercises that you can do in your home to strengthen your whole body. The first exercise is the press-up. Now the press-up works the arms, the shoulders and the back. Traditionally, press-ups have been done with the hands wide apart, but many people have found that this damages the tendons in their shoulders in the long term. I prefer to do the press-up with the hands closer to the body. Okay, so we put the hands shoulder width apart, we get our legs straight and we tighten the stomach. Okay, now for a better grip, if you want to turn your hands slightly inwards, you can do. When we go down, we breathe through our nose, and when we come back up, we breathe out through our mouth. And when you go down, you can either touch your nose or your chin to the ground. Okay, here goes. Okay, if you can do 10 press-ups, it means you can do 10 repetitions. I recommend you do 3 lots of 10 repetitions. In other words, 3 sets of 10. Exercise number 2, the calf raise. The calf raise works the calves of the lower legs. What we're going to do is keep our feet together, raise our arms. You can use a wall, table or chair for support, or you can balance freely. We're going to keep the stomach as tight as possible, and we're just going to lift, hold and then lower down. So we lift as high as possible, hold for a second and then lower our legs down. Lift, hold and then down. Exercise number 3 is the plank. Now the plank works the core, the stomach. And the position for the plank is you put your hands and elbows on the floor. You can either have your hands flat or you can clasp them together. Legs need to be out straight on your toes. And what you do, you hold this position, making sure your stomach is tight, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You just hold it for as long as you can. Exercise number 4, the squat. Now the squat works the thighs. The position of the squat, legs shoulder width apart. You can have your arms to the front or to the side for support. And we're just going to lower the body as if you're sitting down. Hold it and then back up. It's very important that when you lower the body, the knees remain behind the toes, and you can see them here. Okay? Otherwise you're putting unnecessary pressure on the knees. So we go down and then back up. Breathing in on the way down, breathing out on the way up. Keeping the stomach tight. Hold for a second and then back up. So there you have it. 4 exercises which improve the strength of the muscles in your arms, the stomach, the thighs and the calf muscles. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our next video as soon as it's released.